Hello, my name is Emily Horwath, and as Acting Project Manager, I am here to present to you my team's proposal for the next generation smartphone for Orange. Throughout this project, I have prioritized tasks and deliverables, developed key milestones, and ensured clear lines of communication between team members and departments. I have also incorporated stakeholder priorities via our marketing specialists and budget analysts. In order to begin this project, we brainstormed and then decided on which tasks would guide us to our desired end result. We then determined the desired milestones that the tasks would lead us to, and ultimately the end deliverables, which would take into account both client and stakeholder priorities. Just as important as identifying tasks was scheduling those tasks in order to adhere to scheduled milestones in order to minimize delays and maximize productivity. We planned our schedule in order to maximize quality while minimizing cost and time. In this way, we plan to be on track to present a quality product before our competitors were able. Once the tasks, deliverables, and milestones were identified, we needed to estimate materials and employees required to stay on schedule. Our core project team consisted of myself and 4 other programmers. We extended this project team to include 2 marketing specialists, 2 budget analysts, a manager who performed in a supervisory role and navigated interdepartmental issues, 2 external architects, 3 external programmers, and we also decided that various materials and software purchases needed to be allocated in the budget and the schedule. In the beginning phases of this project, our marketing specialists and budget analysts performed 2 different stakeholder prioritizing functions, that of a marketing survey and also a product profile. These were able to guide us, and throughout the project phases, the marketing specialists and budget analysts continued to communicate these priorities to make sure that our project team was on track to meet these goals and that our final product would in fact perform as our stakeholders would want it to. The most significant challenge that we encountered during this project was balancing those needs of developing a quality project while also staying under budget and on schedule. Throughout the course of the project, the team learned that planning and clear lines of communication were very important to achieving this goal. We also learned that efficient allocation of resources is all about planning, timing, and adjusting and staying flexible when necessary. My team and I thank you for joining us today, and I look forward to our continued work together.